Okay, these cute ones are from Nana-san, and her name is Sandra, and she did these really cute ones. Here it is. There's a little bird here with some flowers. And oh, look at this side. Isn't this cute? I love it. Look, a little nest. And it says, I'm sorry, it says beautiful. See that? I'm waiting for the camera to focus. Look at this one, how neat. With like acetate paper. The cage is made out of acetate with a little bird. Look at that. Really, really cute. And then she did this one for me. It says your tweet. It's a little bird. Isn't that original? And here's one that says Harmony. Let me go ahead and see if the camera would focus on it. Doesn't want to focus. Isn't that pretty? It's a little bird. It's a nest. And it's a bird in a nest. And here's another one. It's really colorful. It says night owl and early bird. Isn't that cute? Look at the image and look how colorful it is. And she put bling, little bling on it. Isn't that cute? And this is Sweet Life. See it? I don't know why my camera doesn't want to focus, but let me see if I do it like that. Maybe it'll be better, yeah. Might be the lighting in the background. Anyway, and this one is for rent. How cute. I just love the originality of these tags. Oh, look. A little worm. Very, very cute. Let me just scan right through it so you could see it. Or pan right. See that? Thank you, Sandra. These are really sweet. These are really cute. Really, really. Oh, look at this. Look at that. I didn't even notice that one. Look how it's a three-dimensional. See that? How cute. Yeah, and this was almost like a ring. Look at that with a little owl. Oh, look at that. How cute that is. Thank you, Sandra. These are really gorgeous. Thank you. Okay, this beautiful set is from my friend Victoria, and she's Vom in scrapbook.com. And these tags are huge, okay? I mean, I thought my tags were big. These are huge. They're beautiful. She put a lot of flowers in it, on them. Look at this beauty. This is like an orangey color, and it matches the bird. It's really neat, and it's just gorgeous. She went ahead and put a little charm on the top there. This one is in the blue tones, and she again used a lot of flowers, as you can see. And she added an altered pin right there. And look at this beautiful trim. This one is a window. She used a window, and again with the flowers. Just beautiful flowers, and they're huge. This is similar to the first one, but in a teal color background, and she used a lot of flowers again with some lace. And look at the pretty bird. And again, this one is in a cage. Look at the butterfly. The butterfly is gorgeous. Look how she went ahead and embellished. Again, this one, she used a bingo card as a background, which is, I think, very original. And look at the flowers. How cute. And it's two little birds. And last but not least, another bird cage with the beautiful orange flowers and trim and lace. Really, really beautiful. I'm gonna move on to this one. This one is from, oh my goodness, Star. My friend Star. She's Stormy Dog. That's what she's called. And she went ahead and did an awesome job. I cannot take them out of the plastic because she wrapped them up real good, and I really don't want to, you know, ruin them in any way. But this is a bird with some flowers. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Let me see what it says out here. You make me smile. That's what it says. This one says the sky is the limit. She went ahead and layered and used some chipboard and some beautiful pattern paper. Look at the charm that she put, how lovely. Okay. And this one is the pink colors. Look, this is just beautiful. I'm wondering which paper she used on this one, because I love the pattern paper she used on this. But look how sweet and delicate, and oh, and look at the trim. The trim is to die for. Just gorgeous. And look at the little birdie. Look at the little birdie. This is the pink in the pink tones. And she put a pin, an altered pin here with a bird cage in the background. Really, really gorgeous. And this one, I don't know, reminds me of a church or something, or a garden with that background window and the vine. I think it's just gorgeous. And this one is also beautiful. Look at the trim. And the bird is just gorgeous. She did an awesome job. And this one, served exclusive at the World's Fair. It's like tea. It's birds and tea theme. I think it's really neat. And it says, you make life beautiful, which is just beautiful. I love the quote. Awesome. Thank you, ladies. Thank you, Victoria. And thank you, Star. These tags are just gorgeous. There's going to be many happy ladies getting all these tags. These beauties were made by my friend Lorna Lee. And she's from Texas also. And we talk on the phone often. And she did a beautiful job on her tags. They're different styles. Let me see, where do I start? This one, it says, create beauty everywhere. I love the quote. It fits all of us perfectly, doesn't it, ladies? Look at the birds and the lace. And she did a 3-dimensional. And it's just, oh, so pretty. And look at that. She even put her name on the back on a bird. This is like an orangey one. It says, start the morning with a song. I love that quote also. I think it's neat. Really, really cute. Look at the bird cage. This beautiful one with the bird house. Look at the trim that she used, how lovely. Really, really pretty. I love the colors, the blue and the green. And here's another one. She layered the flowers. Look at that, how pretty. Isn't that? And look at the pattern bird. Isn't that really, really pretty? Gorgeous, gorgeous. And this one is a hummingbird, one of my favorite birds. Isn't that? I have 2 favorite birds, hummingbird and pelican, and they're from one extreme to another. But it's when I see a pelican at the beach, it's just beautiful, you know. And look at this purple one. It's like a cardinal or something, but it's in purple. And I'll try to give this one to somebody that loves purple. So it's really, really beautiful. And little bird, the bird cage charm here is really, really cute. And then the last one is like Oriental. It's an Oriental theme. As you can see, look at the cage, how cute. And the pattern paper from Graphic 45, awesome. Really, really well done. Thank you, Lorna. Your tags are gorgeous. Thank you so much.